year, the predictions for 2024 are pouring in. And boy, could I have predicted that myself. Welcome to the marvelous, mysterious, and mind-bending world of 2024 predictions with a twist of 2074. Hear ye, my dear followers and curious minds. As the carnival announcer of the digital age, I beckon you to join us, Sean Martin and Marco Ciappelli, on a whimsical journey into the future. Introducing our expert, not your ordinary crystal ball gazer, but a machine with a brain that sparkles brighter than a disco ball under the moonlight. It's got the answers, the insights, and yes, even the oddities you never knew you needed. As we step into 2024, the air, my inbox, is abuzz with PR pitches and expert opinions, each claiming to have the crystal clear view of what's ahead in cybersecurity, technology, and society. Are you surprised? Don't be. It happens every year. But fear not. We're here to add a pinch of salt, a dash of creativity, and a whole lot of sarcasm to this future-gazing fiesta. Now, about those lottery numbers for 2024, I might just have them. But let's be honest, wouldn't it be more fun to jet set 50 years ahead? Picture this, it's 2074, and we're looking back at those quaint old days of the 2020s. Self-driving cars? Poof! We've got teleportation pods now. Quantum internet? More like intergalactic network. And cybersecurity. It's all about defending against those sneaky AI mind readers. So, join us as we select some real experts skilled in the subtle art of future gazing to join us on some episodes and guide us in this fantastical journey. We'll laugh, we'll ponder, and who knows, we might just find out if flying cars ever became a thing. Spoiler alert, they did, but they're so last century in 2074. Follow me on social media and subscribe to this podcast for more musings on society, cybersecurity, technology, and those little curiosities that make the future a riddle wrapped in a mystery inside an enigma. Until then, keep your eyes on the stars and your passwords strong. Here's to a year and a future filled with wonder, wisdom, and maybe a few winning numbers. Wink, wink.